Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm going to show you how you can rotate your photo in Photoshop. So I have my 3D photo of a gentleman, and if I want to rotate it, I'll press Ctrl plus T on my keyboard. Just by using the mouse, you can rotate your photo, and it's a free form, so you can rotate to any degree. But other times you have to be a bit precise. So to do that, you have to hold the key and then use your mouse. This way, you will be rotating your photo 15 degree per rotation. You can also see the number on the right side. But what about the times when you have to be very quick? So to do that, you have to press Ctrl plus T, then right click your mouse, then choose rotate 180 degree or 90 degree clockwise or 90 degree anti-clockwise, however you like. Also, there is another manual way where you have to go to EDs, then click transform, then rotate. But the shortcut is much easier, Ctrl plus T. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it.